Welcome back to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So as you can see, these are the lines we drew yesterday, and there's one fair value gap. Nifty is took support at the midpoint of this fair value gap, and I believe also this flat top has provided support to Nifty. So I would just say it's consolidating. It's not going anywhere. As usual, let's just delete all the lines and start afresh. From the monthly time frame, on a monthly time frame, as you can see, the bias is still bullish. Why is it bullish? Because this low created in August has not been invalidated by any down move. So there's all buyers well above this level. This base is still protected. Let's look for the important levels. Important levels is previous ATH, is from where the big selling started. And the low made in August is the low that needs to be protected for the bullish bias to be held. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, I was not sure of the bias previously. I'm still not sure of a bias. Well, tomorrow, when this candle closes anywhere without touching this previous week's high, then I have a bias that is bearish. But right now, I do not have a bias. I have certain levels to watch out for, which is this flat top. Let me mark it in green and in with thinner lines. If Nifty comes down much further, this could be a good support on a weekly time frame. Since tomorrow is the close of the weekly candle, that could be a significant level. And that's it. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, do I have a bias? I did not have one previously. This is a swing low, and there's no higher swing lows formed. This is a swing high, and there is a swing high formed here. So yes, on a daily time frame, it has turned bearish. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. Oh, well, is there any important levels on a daily time frame I need to mark? I did not do that. Let's see that. Today's candle is a flat top. Open is equal to high. So let's just mark that. Assuming Nifty may open below this level, then if it comes up, then this could act as an important resistance. And this is an important support on a weekly time frame because tomorrow is Friday and it's a close of a weekly candle. And it has on multiple occasions respected this support. Let me draw that in green. I don't know if it will support that level anymore. And what about fair value gaps? This was the last fair value gap created. Today's candle was well into that fair value gap. So the bottom of that fair value gap could act as a support. So there are a few levels you see here. Today, the top of this fair value gap, this candle was respected. There's a bottom of the fair value gap, and there's also this weekly level that needs to be respected. So if Nifty plans to come down, there's so many levels of support that's available right now. But let's see, things don't look good for Nifty. On a 4-hour, what's the let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, what is the bias? This is a swing high. So this was a swing high. This was the next swing high that invalidated the previous swing high. And now this is swing high. There's no swing high on the way down. So are there swing lows? Good one. This is a swing low. Let's be careful with this. No, there are no other swing lows, so it is not sure. 4 hour on a 4 hour time frame, it is not sure. Going over to the hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame, it is bearish. Why is it bearish? This is a swing high here, and all the way down, here's another swing high that's much lower than the swing high. And okay, now let's do a thought experiment. If Nifty decides to come all the way down, the ultimate target of that down move on an hourly time frame would be this. That is 25,490. But there, as I said, there are a lot of levels in the interim. And let's see where Nifty goes tomorrow. Hourly is bearish. 4 hour is not sure. Day is bearish. And weekly is not sure. Well, everything looks south for Nifty, but I'm not taking sides right now, and maybe I'll just skip and not trade tomorrow. That's it. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst, and I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.